Welcome to this tutorial. How to enter the same text into multiple Excel cells at once. Ever found yourself typing the same text into numerous cells? In this video, I am introducing a nifty Excel trick that'll save you time and effort. Imagine entering that same text into multiple cells all at once. No more repetitive typing. With just a few simple steps, you'll be able to streamline your data entry process like a pro. Let's learn how to enter the same text into multiple Excel cells at once. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Select all the cells where you want the text to be the same. Simply type the desired text into any one of the selected cells. Instead of hitting Enter, use the shortcut Ctrl+Enter to apply the text to all the highlighted cells simultaneously. Alternatively, input the text into an empty cell. Click and drag the bottom right corner of the cell containing the text to extend it across the desired range of cells. Another method is to type the text into an empty cell. Right-click on the cell with the entered text. Choose the Copy option from the menu. Then, click and drag the mouse to select the range of empty cells where you want to paste the text. Right-click on the selected range of empty cells, and from the Paste Options menu, select the first paste option. Wasn't that quick and easy? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.